Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at the DCF 887 impact driver. I've just bought this from eBay. It's a bare unit, doesn't come with any batteries or anything. Now you may have seen the previous video of my old impact driver, which is this one, the DCF 787 model, which does not work. So if you're watching this Dewalt, you ask for proof of purchase. Here it is, I purchased this. I'm not lying to you, I'm not trying it on, but you need to do something about this because it did come with the 3-year warranty, which I registered on your website. You accepted that, and that warranty is still active. So you need to do something about this. Now I don't have an issue with Dewalt tools as in general, because I have been using these for years and never had a problem with one and never had to take one back or anything. But unfortunately they don't seem to be bothered about the 3-year warranty. So here's the box it came with, this DCF 887. It's a brushless 18 volt impact driver. Significant differences with this one: it does actually come with a belt clip, whereas the other one didn't. That's where it would attach on the sides. It never came with one. It was just literally you had to buy that as an extra. So in one sense it does have more features than the old one. It does have 3 LED lights on the front, whereas the previous one only has one. It does have 3-speed on the bottom there, so there's a switch to do the 3 speeds on it, whereas the other one didn't anyway. So this is just the basic model anyway, so this is now the improved model. And yeah, so we're going to get this going. We are on site at the moment, so we're going to use it to put a fence up and do all the drilling and all the everything else that we need to do, all the screwing that we need to do. So I'm going to show you how this works. Now this was a bare unit, so we'll be using batteries from other Dewalt drills that we have. They're always a lot cheaper to buy bare, because you can always use the batteries that you already have and just keep swapping and changing. Depends how much use you're going to give it. We do use one of these quite a lot. They're brilliant machines, to be honest. Unfortunately, when they offer you a 3-year guarantee warranty with your product, you expect them to honour it. It does say there registration within 4 weeks of purchase, which I did on the previous one. But they're saying I need proof of purchase. Well, there's your proof, there it is. But there you go, that's another story. So yeah, we're going to get this going, so watch the space. The next bit in a minute will be the drill actually working, so yeah, watch this space. There we go, we've got the drill set up now, and we have an 18 volt for AH battery. This is off my SDS Dewalt drill. I'm going to use the various different speeds on it today because we're going to be driving in hex screws, which I've already got a bit driven in. This is the fence that's going to be reattached. What I've done is I've reposted all this section of fences, just this section to reattach, and then we'll be running a new fence all the way down using these hex bolt type screw things here. There you can see all the posts have run down to the bottom of the garden. Originally the fence was at an angle, so we've straightened it all up. And here we go, we're going to drive them in. There you go, that's the first one in. Second one. We're also going to use it for screwing in the palings as well. But these are the heavy duty fixings, and it's making light work of this. I think if we put it on the 3rd setting to speed, and there you go. There you go, that is a Dewalt impact driver, as demonstrated by me. As like I say, I've been putting a fence up. I've gone a bit further down the line with the fence. Like I say, we just reposted that first section because originally when I put it up we used the original posts, and 10 years later they've obviously rotted. But the rest of the fence I put up is still intact, so we're just taking some of it down and then just going to rerun it straight down to the bottom of the garden. It's approximately 200 feet long. So yeah, we needed this impact driver to get all these palings up and all the cross rails and everything. So there you go, that's the Dewalt impact driver. Brilliant little tool. Like I said, I don't have a problem with the drills itself. I do have a problem with 3-year guarantee, but there you go. We'll see how far we get with that one. So we'll probably do an update later on and see if they will actually do anything about that 3-year guarantee on the previous impact driver. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and once again, thanks for watching.